Good afternoon. This is the middle of March. We had a rainstorm come through just about every day. Thunderstorms, high winds, and nasty cold weather. It's overcast right now and a little bit calm, waiting for the next storm, I guess. I got it time in the house, so I decided I'd modify my 60 Army cap guns and install some cap rakes. I don't know whether to thank or to blame 45 Dragoon, the Outlaw Kid, and Colorado Coffin Maker for getting me into this. They think it's the thing to do. I'm kind of doing this one backwards. I'm going to try shooting them here after they're installed, and then I'll try to get in and show you how I did this. I started off by blocking an area with a Sharpie so I could see my layout lines. I may have needed to be about another eighth to a 10th inch back further than what I had been, but we'll see if that works out all right. I brick punched it so I could drill and tap a hole 632 size. I leveled the bed on my drill press. Having the action clamped in my mill vise, I leveled the arbor up so that have a straight hole, hopefully. I set the depth stop so that hopefully I wouldn't go through the shield around the ratchet. I used a number 36 drill bit to drill the hole to be tapped. I bought a new 632 tap because my old one was busted. This worked out to be an advantage because I took the broken tap and made a bottoming tap out of it because the new tap wouldn't have gone in deep enough to make threads. I chucked up the 632 stainless steel screw into my little vise, and I did a lot of remodeling on it before I even installed it. I cut a ring around the perimeter where I wanted to break it off for the top. I cleaned up the thread area with acetone in preparation for the Loctite 638 locker. Here's a screw set in place with the locking compound. I let the thread locker set overnight and then I broke the screw off. This pre-shaping minimized the time I had to use the Swiss files to shape up the post. I'm testing the size of my diamond encrusted bit for a Dremel tool. Here's the initial fit. I had to go a little bit deeper obviously and narrower to get it adjusted to where it fall all the way down. I adjusted the height of the post to be equal to the height of the nipple. Here's one pretty well shaped and the other one just ready to get started. I got off on a little bit of a bad start by grinding the opening too large here on the face and having some problems with caps sticking on the nipples. But hopefully I've corrected that now, and we're going to give this a try and see what happens. Hope that does it. We'll see how this works. I'll shoot it some more and verify that I'm not getting any shrapnel back down in my action.